The brave adventurer Moana is ready to embrace her destiny and restore balance to the world, this time as a detailed model for 3D printing. The model, sculpted by one of Gambody's contributing 3D artists, carefully captures all her facial features. From the textures of her outfit to the flow of curly hair, every design element has been recreated with exceptional attention to detail. Adapting Moana for 3D printing took the Gambody team a total of 64 hours. This project is a tribute to her strength, spirit, and unwavering determination.